Tallahassee, the capital city of Florida, offers a rich blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that appeals to every traveler. Nestled amid rolling hills and scenic landscapes, this vibrant city is known for its outdoor adventures, charming parks, and engaging museums. Visitors can stroll through lush trails, explore the 19th century pioneer farmstead at the Tallahassee Museum, and immerse themselves in the vibrant local arts scene. So, here is the list of 16 best things to do in Tallahassee, Florida. Before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and comment your thought. Here we go! Number 1. Historic downtown Tallahassee. Historic downtown Tallahassee is the vibrant heart of Florida's capital, blending rich history with a lively cultural scene. Visitors can explore iconic landmarks such as the Florida State Capitol and the Historic Capitol Museum, which offer insights into the state's political heritage. Number 2. Tallahassee Museum. The Tallahassee Museum is a unique living history and wildlife attraction set on 52 scenic acres. It offers immersive experiences with 19th century historic buildings, native Florida wildlife habitats including panthers and red wolves, and nature trails that let visitors connect with the state's natural environment. Number 3. Alfred B. McClay Gardens State Park. Alfred B. McClay Gardens State Park in Tallahassee is a stunning 1,170-acre park, famous for its ornamental gardens and natural beauty. Established in 1923 by Alfred B. and Louise McClay, the gardens feature picturesque brick walkways, a secret garden, reflection pool, and walled garden filled with hundreds of camellias and azaleas. Number 4. Florida Historic State Capitol Museum. The Florida Historic State Capitol Museum is a beautifully restored icon that captures the political history and heritage of Florida. Originally built in 1845 and restored to its 1902 appearance, the museum features the governor's office, House and Senate chambers, and the Supreme Court. Number 5. Mission San Luis. Mission San Luis, located in Tallahassee, Florida, was the western capital of Spanish Florida from 1656 to 1704. This 64-acre site served as a community where the Appalachian Indians and Spanish colonists lived together. Today, Mission San Luis is a living history museum featuring meticulously reconstructed buildings like a Franciscan church, an Appalachian council house, and a Spanish fort. Number 6. Tallahassee Automobile Museum. The Tallahassee Automobile Museum is a must-visit attraction for car enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Located just northeast of Florida State University, it houses over 170 rare and unique vehicles, including classic cars, muscle cars, vintage motorcycles, and famous movie cars like multiple Batmobiles. Number 7. Tallahassee St. Mark's Historic Railroad State Trail. The Tallahassee St. Mark's Historic Railroad State Trail spans 16 to 20.5 miles, tracing Florida's first rail line from Tallahassee to the coastal community of St. Mark's. This paved trail offers a scenic route for biking, hiking, walking, skating, and horseback riding on an adjacent unpaved path. Number 8. Museum of Florida History. The Museum of Florida History, located in Tallahassee, offers a comprehensive look into Florida's rich cultural and historical heritage. Opened in 1977, the museum features both permanent and rotating exhibits that showcase artifacts and stories spanning Florida's development, its diverse peoples, and notable events. Number 9. Goodwood Museum and Gardens. Goodwood Museum and Gardens is a historic estate in Tallahassee that originated as a cotton plantation in the 1830s. Now a museum listed on the National Register of Historic Places, it features a beautifully preserved antebellum mansion furnished with period artifacts, textiles, and art. Number 10. Dorothy B. Oven Park. Dorothy B. Oven Park in Tallahassee, Florida, is an enchanting 6-acre city park that offers visitors a peaceful retreat immersed in natural beauty and historic charm. The park is centered around a classic 1930s manor-style home, featuring rare magnolia paneling, wooden floors, antique furnishings, and artwork reflecting timeless elegance. Number 11. Flippin' Great Pinball. Flippin' Great Pinball is a must-visit attraction in Tallahassee, Florida, especially for fans of arcade and pinball games. Located conveniently in downtown Tallahassee between Florida State University and Florida A&M University at 632-2 Railroad Square, this family-friendly arcade offers over 70 pinball and classic arcade games, ranging from vintage to modern machines. Number 12. Lafayette Heritage Trail Park. Lafayette Heritage Trail Park is one of Tallahassee's premier outdoor destinations that combines natural beauty, diverse trails, and abundant wildlife into a serene and accessible experience. Located at 4,900 Heritage Park Boulevard, this expansive park offers a variety of activities, such as hiking, trail running, mountain biking, kayaking, canoeing, birdwatching, and fishing. Number 13. Cascades Park. Cascades Park in Tallahassee, Florida is a vibrant 24-acre urban oasis blending history, nature, and modern recreational features, making it a must-visit destination. The park is built on a historic site where the capital city was founded, with its name commemorating a once natural waterfall symbolized today by a fountain at the park's heart. Number 14. Railroad Square Art District. The Railroad Square Art District in Tallahassee, Florida is a vibrant and creative hub that seamlessly blends history with modern artistic expression. Occupying a 10-acre area once a World War II-era industrial warehouse park, the district is now home to over 70 unique shops, art studios, galleries, and small businesses. Number 15. The Grove Museum. The Grove Museum in Tallahassee, Florida, is a remarkable historical site that offers a deep and nuanced exploration of Florida's past, particularly focusing on the intertwined stories of slavery and civil rights. Built circa 1835 to 1840 by enslaved African-American craftsmen under the direction of Richard Keith Call, the 3rd and 5th Territorial Governor of Florida, the building is one of the state's best preserved antebellum residences. Number 16. Proof Brewing Company. Proof Brewing Company in Tallahassee, Florida, is the city's largest and most beloved brewery, offering a vibrant and inviting atmosphere for craft beer enthusiasts and locals alike. Established in 2012, Proof Brewing prides itself on producing bold, flavorful, award-winning beers crafted with artisanal techniques.